Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to sign out of iCloud on your iPhone. So step one, go to settings, then click on this return icon to land on this settings page. Now tap your photo or name from here and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. As you see this red sign out, click on it. And this this window will pop up. Erase this iPhone after signing out. This will prepare your iPhone for transfer if you're trading, selling, or giving it away. Your Apple account, apps you installed, and all associated data will be removed from this iPhone. If you are keeping this device for yourself, you can sign out without erasing. Your Apple account and some data will be removed, but apps and settings will remain. So you can either erase this iPhone and this will sign out of your iCloud, or simply sign out, or simply go with sign out but don't erase. Either options will sign you out of your iCloud account on your iPhone. And this is how to sign out of iCloud on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.